Welcome to WSH-PEER, the training platform designed to make skill development seamless and rewarding. Let's explore how you can transform your learning experience. Simply log in with your credentials to access your personalized dashboard. Once inside, you'll see your dashboard. The All Courses tab gives you access to our entire course enrolled to you, so you can expand your knowledge portfolio. In the Completed section, you can explore all your achievements in finished courses. The In Progress tab helps you track your active learning journey and pick up right where you left off. You can easily find courses assigned to you that you haven't started yet in the Not Started section. When you're ready to learn, just click on a course. This will help you enhance your professional skills with engaging content. Simply advance to the next section to continue your learning journey. In the Completed section, you can explore all your achievements in finished courses. For a completed course, you can showcase your expertise by accessing your earned certificate of completion. You can even save your achievement for your professional portfolio or profiles. Secure your credentials in either PDF or image format so they're ready to share with employers or to add to your LinkedIn profile. To find more courses and learning opportunities, simply navigate to the course list from the left-hand menu. This is your comprehensive catalog of safety training courses. To learn more about the course and enroll, simply click the toggle button. A confirmation window will appear. It's asking if you're sure you want to enroll in this course. And just like that, the course has been added to your enrolled courses list. You can see it here under the Not Started tab, and you're now ready to begin whenever you are. Thanks for exploring. We hope this video has shown you how WSH-PEER can help you learn and grow, ready to make an impact. Let's go.